It's the weekend, it's bank holiday weekend. I didn't get my hair sorted today. I'm going to go out, I think. I think I'm going to go to the food and drink festival in Leeds. Might do. I haven't decided yet. But Sapphire's up. Morning, Sapphire. What's in your mouth? Cracker. So, not been to this food and drink festival before, so a bit optimistic what it's going to be like. It's at Lotherton Hall, and it's on tonight or today and tomorrow. I think it's £7. I think you can buy a weekend pass at about £10, but I can only go today anyway. So there you go. Might go. Shall I go? Shall I go, Del?
Are you filming me?
Yeah.
Yeah, go. What is steak and shake thing? Oh, Sapphy, this side. Sapphy.
Hello.
We've arrived here in Lotherton Hall. I think it's about £7 to get in. I'm not sure yet, but it's a nice day and it's quite busy. So I'm just queuing to get in. I really could do with a cup of tea. A cup of tea. So across there, that's the deer park. Not many deers out, I don't think. But we'll have a look later on. See if there's any deer out. There's quite a lot normally. So parking's pretty good here actually. I've parked up just behind me and I'm heading towards the marquees now. If you look at it, it looks quite busy and a lot to do as well.
Carpet girl. Catch. There we go. Straight away transfers to her feet there. And you just see how big those wings are there. What I'm hoping to do is get her up a little bit above the trees here. Not too high, don't go into the trees. Keep going, big girl. Because unfortunately we do have a lot of crows and rooks around here. You've got some food left in your mouth. You didn't quite swallow that, did you? Now look at me. The blistering heat. In the middle of the field in front of everyone. There you go, you can have a piece of food for doing nothing. How's that? Now little Twilight here, my barn owl, she's actually 5 years old this year, so she's a little bit mature. She's quite experienced, she's been flying ever since she was about 6 weeks of age.
Plenty of place to eat, got Indian street food there. Cake stall, Peking duck, we've got steak out sandwiches, they've got Yorkshire pudding wrap food place down there, so I might go and get Yorkshire pudding wrap. And you've got some Greek food across there, some churros. This is kind of cute, you've got crepes and shakes there. It's different. Well, bang goes my diet today. I've gone for a Yorkshire pudding wrap.
See you guys soon. Enjoy the rest of your day.
Yeah. So I've gone for a turkey one, and it's rather nice. Some jams across there.
I thought you went for Alkin. I thought you'd be here.
Nice.
L. John.
Just walking through the garden now. Yeah, it's pretty good. It's on for 3 days. It's the first time I've been to this one, and I came especially to buy some cooking sauces, but the guy that I know wasn't there, so I might catch them at the next food and drink festival. This is the house, Lotherton House. I've not brought the drone today. I bet I got some good shots if I brought it, but it's on charge. I'm hoping to use it tomorrow. But I thought I've got time, so I'm going to have a look around the house, and not been here for years, and hopefully get down to the deer park. Just asking if the lift still worked, and apparently it doesn't work anymore. I need my own bathroom. There's another one here. Maybe not. It's very well kept compared to a lot of stately homes. Yeah, it's in nice condition actually. Look like they're constantly renovating it. There's a couple of rooms out of action, but yeah, it's nice, and it's free as well. It's free. I like free stuff. So this is new since last time we were here. It's called Himalayan Fashion. I don't know how long this is here for. I will ask. Some lovely outfits. 1920s. '80s. Some great pieces in here. Nice work. Cotton hemp and jute. 70s. I found a perfect coat for Della. Oh, look at that. That's a proper coat. Mountaineer's coat. It's a really big collection, and it's all on loan from different museums and universities. It's like 3 or 4 rooms full of artifacts from like years from 1920s, 30s and 40s, 50s. I've just noticed the Himalayan exhibition finishes on the 28th of October, 26th of October this year. So if you want to come and see that, get down here before 26th of October this year. So that's pretty impressive, really. All the artifacts from the 20s. The house was purchased in 1825 by the Gascoigne family, and in about 1968 it was given to Leeds City Council to look after it and preserve it, really, or the whole estate, including all the grounds and the deer field, and also the bird encounters. There's an exhibition of different birds. Hopefully we'll go and have a look now. I've just noticed the deer farm, the deer field. It's all red deer, and then you've got the endangered species bird aviaries to the right hand side. The best thing about it's all free, and you just pay on entry with your vehicle. So if it's like £7 or £7.50 for an adult, about £5 for kids. You've got cafes. You've also got the stables and the horses. It's great on a day like this when the sun's out. I don't recognise it. It's all new this year. The new walkway and the new flamingo aviary. Welcome to the Wildlife Centre here at Lotherton Hall. As you can see, there's been a lot of major improvements. It's a few years since I've been here actually, but I'm impressed from what I've seen. Brand new aviaries, a lot of new homes for the animals. At one time you used to walk through there, and you still can, but now they've enclosed it with a new netting. This has one of the biggest collection of birds in the UK. Just there. Didn't see you, fella. So that's the home of the red deer. I said there were quite a lot. Red deer field. Right guys, that's enough from me today for Ricardo's road trips. It's been pleasant actually, the weather's lovely, absolutely beautiful, and it's like this for the next few days, so I'm going to make the most of it. It's time to say good night, God bless guys. Please like, subscribe, please leave a comment. I shall see you soon. Take it easy.